As a manufacturing company CEO, knowing your key manufacturing performance metrics or KPIs is critical for success. KPIs uncover areas that you can improve to achieve your goals. In today's video, we'll discuss what you can do now to use your manufacturing KPIs to improve revenue and profitability. As a manufacturing company CEO or business owners, you manufacture products that are in demand while maintaining long-term relationships with your customers and vendors. You also look for ways to improve manufacturing efficiencies, eliminate waste, and reduce cost. Knowing your key performance metrics is critical for success. KPIs uncover areas that you can make changes and improve and achieve your goals. In part 2 of this series, we'll discuss key performance indicators focused on improving revenue and profitability. In part 1 of this series, we discussed how manufacturing KPIs can help reduce waste and increase productivity. We included a case study that illustrated how KPIs can help reduce waste and increase productivity. You'll remember that KPIs are a set of quantifiable measures that a company uses to first determine its progress in achieving its strategic and operational goals, and second, compare its finance and performance against other businesses within its industry and other benchmarks. KPIs include financial measures such as revenue and profit margins, and non-financial measures such as customer satisfaction, employee turnover, and quality metrics. The KPIs should be tied directly to your company's strategic and operational goals. When choosing these KPIs, it's essential to determine whether the time spent on collecting, collating, and analyzing the data is worth the information gained, and whether the information is accurate, consistent, and reliable, and that the results will arrive with enough time to allow management to act and make improvements. In this video, we'll take a close look on manufacturing KPIs that are focused on improving revenue and profitability. A couple of these KPIs are, first, total manufacturing cost per unit, excluding materials. This is a measure of all potentially controllable manufacturing costs that go into the production of a given unit, item, or production volume. Another measure is manufacturing cost as a percent of revenue. This is a ratio of total manufacturing costs to the overall revenues produced by a manufacturing plant or business unit. Another important measure is net operating profit. This is a measure of the financial profitability for all of the investor, shareholder, and debt holders before or after taxes for a manufacturing plant or business unit. Another important metric is average unit contribution margin. This calculates the ratio of profit that's generated by a manufacturing plant or business unit divided into a given unit or volume of production. Another important metric is return on the assets or the return on net assets. Calculate the financial performance of a manufacturing plant or business unit by dividing the net income generated by the value of fixed assets and working capital that is used. Cash to cash cycle time. The time between the purchase of a manufacturing plant or business unit's inventory and the collection of payments or accounts receivable for the sale of products that utilize that inventory, and typically this is measured in days. And I have another video that focuses on this measurement because it directly impacts your working capital calculation and makes sure that you have cash available when you need it. So this is a very important metric. And again, the title of this one is a cash to cash cycle time. The next metric that I have to talk to you about in this video is the customer fill rate, on-time delivery, and the perfect order percentage. This is the percentage of times that customers receive their entire order manufactured to the correct specifications and delivered at the expected time. This is really important to keep your customers happy and in the meantime, not spend extra money having to redo things because it wasn't done correctly the first time. So determine what you can do to be hyper-focused on improving your manufacturing operations to uncover ways to improve revenue and profitability. I'm Renita Wolf. To learn more, download my free guide, Who Runs Your Company When You're Not There? Thanks for watching.